Today's video is going to show you exactly how you can start making money online by selling ebooks, even if you've never written anything before. Selling ebooks is one of the easiest digital businesses to start because you don't need inventory, you don't need shipping, and you don't need a big budget. You create the book once, and it can sell forever. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process from choosing a topic, writing the ebook, publishing it, and making consistent sales. So if you're ready to build a long-term digital income, stay tuned, because this is going to help you a lot. Most people think you need to be a professional writer to sell ebooks, but that's not true at all. All you really need is a topic that people are already searching for in a simple format that delivers value. Ebooks sell because they solve problems. People buy ebooks on health, fitness, money, relationships, business, travel, cooking, even hobbies and crafts. If a topic helps someone improve their life, someone out there will pay for it. So the first step is choosing a profitable topic. The best ebook topics come from common problems people struggle with. If people want to lose weight, there's an ebook for that. If people want to learn a skill, there's an ebook for that too. Your goal is to find something people already care about and create a simple guide that helps them get results. A great way to find profitable ideas is to look at the Amazon Kindle store and check which books have a lot of reviews. If many people are buying a book in your niche, that means demand is high. You can also check Google Trends, YouTube, and social media to see what people are talking about. You don't need a brand new idea. You just need to present real value in a clear, helpful way. Once you have your topic, the next step is creating a clean outline. You don't want your ebook to feel confusing or messy. Your outline should guide the reader step by step. Start with an introduction that explains who the book is for and what results they will get. Then break your content into chapters or sections. Each chapter should focus on one clear idea. Share tips, steps, examples, and real-life stories. Keep your writing simple, direct, and helpful. People prefer easy-to-read ebooks over complicated textbooks. You don't need hundreds of pages. 30 to 80 pages is more than enough if the content solves the problem. If you're not confident in writing, don't worry. You can still create an amazing ebook using tools like ChatGPT to help you draft your content. Or you can hire freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork to write or edit the content for you. Some people even buy PLR ebooks, rewrite them with their own tone and style, and publish them as new guides. There are many ways to get your ebook ready, and none of them require expert writing skills. After writing your content, the next important step is designing your ebook. People really do judge a book by its cover, so make sure yours looks clean and professional. You can use Canva, Photoshop, or Adobe Express to design a beautiful cover. Use bold text, clear fonts, and an image that represents your topic. Inside the book, keep paragraphs short and leave enough spacing so the book is pleasant to read. Then export your ebook as a PDF or an EPUB file. PDF is great for selling directly, and EPUB is best for Amazon Kindle. Now let's talk about publishing your ebook. There are several platforms you can use, and each one has its own benefits. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is the most popular because millions of people shop on Amazon every single day. You can upload your ebook for free. Choose your price, and Amazon handles everything from payments to delivery. You can earn 35% to 70% of each sale depending on your pricing. If you want higher profit margins and more control, you can sell your ebook on Gumroad, Payhip, or even your own website. These platforms allow you to keep up to 90% of the profit and also help you collect customer emails, which is valuable for future sales. Etsy is another great option if your ebook is more creative, like planners, journals, or templates. You can also promote your ebook on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Publishing the book is easy, but the real magic happens in marketing. If you want consistent sales, you need to drive attention to your ebook. Start by creating a simple landing page or product page where people can learn about your ebook. Share what the ebook teaches, the benefits, and any bonuses you're offering. Then use social media to share small tips or pieces of advice from the book. This builds trust and slowly attracts buyers. You can also start an email list by giving away a free PDF or checklist. Once people join your list, you can send them updates and promote your ebook. YouTube is also a very powerful platform for ebook sales. Make videos related to your ebook topic and place the purchase link in the description. With enough videos, this can create passive income for months or even years. If you want to grow even faster, you can use paid ads. Start with a small budget on Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest ads to test your audience. Another powerful method is influencer marketing. Reach out to small creators and ask them to review or mention your ebook. They don't need to have millions of followers. Even small shoutouts can create steady sales. You can also increase your sales by offering bonuses like templates, worksheets, or mini guides. Bundles always convert better than a single ebook alone. Let's talk about pricing. Your ebook can be priced anywhere from $7 to $30 depending on the value. Most ebooks sell best around $17. If you include templates, extra guides, or bonuses, you can easily charge $27 to $47. Remember, people don't pay for page count, they pay for results. If your ebook solves a real problem, buyers will see the value. Once you start getting sales, you can scale your earnings. The easiest way to do this is by creating more ebooks in the same niche. If your first ebook is about fitness, make another one about meal planning or workout routines. Then bundle them together for a higher price. You can also turn your ebook into an online course or mini video lessons. Add upsells, use email automation, and create consistent content on social media. Within a few months, you can turn a single ebook into a full digital business generating thousands of dollars. So that's the complete journey of making money by selling ebooks. You now know how to choose a topic, research demand, write your content, design the book, publish it on the best platforms, and market it for consistent sales. The hardest part is just getting started. Once you finish your first ebook, the rest becomes easier and faster. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment what type of ebook you want to create. Thanks for watching.